This is the reason why of keep working hard. This is the reason why you need to keep working hard. What I'm saying, because bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. This shit right here, man, this money right here, man, feels good when you already got it in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't feel good when this money right here is still chasing this cash. You know what I'm saying? So listen to me, all right? I know you might be asking it yourself, like, why am I still losing in a forex market after been trading the forex market for a year? You know what I say? Listen, you might be thinking like you've been trading for a year, bro, but deep down, bro, you're just lying to yourself. You know what I say? You haven't spent the whole year trading. You know what I say? You're just coming in and go, come in and go, in and out, in and out. Let me show you. You see what I'm trying to say? This is 2 a.m. You know what I say? 2 a.m. bro. 2 a.m. bro. I haven't slept. And I say I haven't slept. It's Sunday morning. Because I know the market just opened right now. You know what I'm saying? And I have to make sure I start the week with a new energy. I have to make sure I start the week knowing what is going to be the direction of the week, of the market this week. And I say I have to be that first person, bro, to understand how is the market going to be moving. I have to be that first person, bro, to start catching these opportunities. And I say, the success doesn't come easy. You know, I say it doesn't come easy at all. You know, I say you have to keep grinding. You have to grind so hard. So what I mean by that is, you can just be judging it yourself as if you've been trading the forex for a year, but it's not true, bro. You just ranked yourself. You were just coming in and out. So this is what I can recommend you as a new trader who just coming in a forex market, who trying to start making this money in the forex market. This is what I'm about to tell you. Listen to this. First thing first, right? Chase the market. Keep learning every day. All right? Learn every single day. Either read the book, either spend your time on the chart every single day. All right? Do this for 6 months. Not like, don't be like, oh, today you just on the market, you're on the chart today, and come back after like a month, and then you call yourself like, hey, oh, I'm studying. No, you're not studying anything, because after you come to the market after 1 month, your last time you went to the to study was last month. Once you come today, even the things that you were studying from last month is already out from your mind. You know what I'm saying? So keep showing up every day, bro, and you're going to make it for sure. I know how it feels, but it was not easy. You know, I say it was not easy, but you have to put your work. The other thing, as a new trader, you going to some people, not for the not like you hate them, you don't want them in your life, but some people, bro, you're going to cut them off, right? Because you're going to the new world right now. When you start this journey, bro, this is the new world. Some people, bro, you're going to chase them away. Not to chase them away, but you're going to be far away from these people. That guys who used to call you when it's time to go to the club. That people who used to call you when it's time to go and chase the girls. You know what I'm saying? Because we might be like 5 guys, but it's not like we got the same mindset, right? So your mindset, you need to respect your mindset, and you need to understand what you want in life to happen in life. You have to understand who you want to become in the next 2 years. You know what I'm saying? So you have to take yourself from these people and bring yourself to this group. You know what I'm saying? The group that you come in, you know what I'm saying? The group that you want to put yourself in is this group for the people who always grind. You don't need no friend, bro, when you start this journey. Only that friend who does this business. It's going to be you and your mentor. You know what I'm saying? Listen, Forex market, bro, when you just started this business, the Forex market doesn't need money. Right? It doesn't need money at all, because you're gonna come with your money to the market, but the market is gonna take your money, bro, because you're just gonna be like, I have money. You know, I see Forex traders, they are making money, so I have money, I'm going to double my money. I see Forex traders, they are making 10k a day. You know, I'm going to make some money too. You know, just because you got money. Your money, bro, has nothing to do with the forex trading. For sure, trust me. You're going to come with your money. You leave your money in the market, but I'm gonna come empty without nothing. I'm only gonna come with something like my capital. You know, but I'm gonna get out the market with the money. Because of what? The market is just need your skills, the skills that you've got from your mentor, the skills that you've learned for months, you know what I'm saying? For months, for years, you know what I'm saying? The skills that you've got from somebody who knows what is the market. So all you need, bro, is the knowledge, for sure. If you just started, bro, keep your mindset to the market instead of coming to the market with the money. Yes, of course, end of the day, you need money to start trading. You need money to pay your mentor, you know what I'm saying? Because your mentor is going to spend time with you. It's going to give you his whole skills that he been through the whole years, you know what I'm saying, to make it easy for you to start a business by your own. You feel what I'm saying? But bro, what I can tell you today is you need to keep focus on the market. Keep focus on the market, nothing else, bro. Keep focus on the market, nothing else, right? Don't be lazy. Stop lying to yourself as if like, oh, I'm trading, I'm a trader, I'm a forex trader. But hey, when was the last time you looking at the chart? 2 months ago. But you still calling yourself a trader. This is my work. You know what I'm saying? I have to show up every single day. Almost my 24 hours for the day, I spend almost 15 hours on the market because it's my business. You know what I'm saying? I sacrifice myself for the business that I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I have that experience because I'm always with the market. You feel what I'm saying? That's what it is, bro. So focus on the market. You know what I'm saying? After you've got the skills, then come with the money, find yourself the account, and start trading. Alright? Don't give up. For these who always on the market, but they're still losing, you're still losing, don't worry. As long, bro, you're still on the market, as long you still have that energy of keep going, you know what I'm saying? Your day is coming, bro. Keep focused. Don't give up. So imagine, bro, you just give up on your dream. What are you left with? You know what I'm saying? So don't give up, bro. Keep chasing, you know what I'm saying? Keep grinding. Your day is coming, you know what I'm saying? Because what I understand is that the only people who are the losers are the people which they stop it. You know what I'm saying? That people who they quit, once you quit, you become a loser. But once you keep going, bro, you're a winner because your day is coming. And then these days are coming, the days that you're going to be like, oh, it was not easy. You know what I'm saying? Wait for this day, bro. This day is going to happen. You know what I'm saying? Because I know how it feels, bro. I really know how it feels, you know? Everybody, bro, there's some point somehow you're gonna be like, oh, I think it's time to give up. But yo, bro, don't give up. Keep pushing, bro. Trust me. Keep pushing, bro. Your day is coming, bro. You're going to make it no matter what, bro. For sure. Trust me. I know what I mean by that because I understand, bro. Overall, I understand how it feels like. Yeah, these days you're going to feel like you want to give up. But the day you're going to feel like you want to give up, you're too close, bro. You're going to be too close. So, what I recommend you today, keep reading the chart for you to start making this money in the Forex market, for you to become profitable. Cut off that friends, you know what I say? Cut off that noise, bro. Stay alone, bro. You don't need no friend, bro. Definitely nothing's going to help you, bro. You know what I'm saying? For sure, for sure. Keep yourself with your work. Check the market. That's what you need, bro. Because everybody else, bro, is going to tell you, like, hey, what you doing, bro, is not going to work for you. You know what I'm saying? Because that person doesn't know what you think. He doesn't know why you started that business. You started that business because you saw other people making money. So what? That's what we do in this world, you know what I'm saying? You do something that you see other people making money. The business that doesn't give money to other people, you're not going to do that business, right? Because I see people doing this business and they make money. That's why I want to start that business. And I say, but that person, bro, he doesn't know why, the reason why you started that business. So you don't need no friend, you know what I'm saying? You can not even tell nobody what you are doing until you start seeing the result. You don't even going to see the result, bro. Once you start making it, bro, they're gonna see. Once you start making, bro, they will see, and they will come to you so badly, bro, begging you to teach them what you are doing because they see that you're making. And I say, that's why it is. So don't tell no one, bro. Sometimes just be around, chess. You know what I'm saying? But, bro, the key, stop settle, bro. Don't settle, bro. Keep focused. Keep reading the chart. Keep reading the books. You know what I'm saying? Stay locked in with your mentor, bro. You know what I'm saying? Until you start making it. Don't give up. The day is coming, man, for sure. So it's just Monday, bro. Make sure join the free Telegram group. The link is on description. Let's go make this cash, baby. We're coming.